Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Thread app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Thread app and you simply need to open that. Then you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom, click on two bars on the top right and click on privacy. So there is no option here. You simply need to go back and click on account, and here you need to click on security. So once you are here, you simply need to click on your profile, and here you can see option of change password. So then you simply need to select your Instagram that is connected with your thread. Here you need to enter your current password, okay, and then you need to enter your new password and retype password, and then you simply need to click on change password. So this is the process by which you can change your password on Thread app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.